start this morning?
5:30.
5:30?
Which...
You're all right, buddy. You're okay.
He's like a little kitten, one eye open, one closed.
You should call Mom and tell her.
Oh, I will. But I will. Yeah. 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 I get to hold him.
I just thought I would. Go ahead.
Okay. I'll get back to you, baby.
I was so amazed when you were completely dilated. You were just in such an excellent control.
Alrighty. That's the thing. I realized I needed to.
I don't know.
It was hard to remember how to push, and then I thought, okay.
So any problems with nausea? I mean, except of course in the beginning of pregnancy, but persistent ongoing.
No, in fact, I haven't had any nausea with this one.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Constipation, diarrhea,
No.
hemorrhoids. It didn't look too bad actually. Got a problem with frequent bladder infections, kidney
Yeah.
infections.
Yeah.
Problem with your liver, gallbladder.
Good job, little girl.
Okay. Now that he's all washed.
He just like leaves.
Doesn't he?
When I'm doing it by myself, I'll just leave those washcloths right on it. And you can, when you're stepping away from the bassinet, you can just put this up so that he's not going to fall off. And then set this aside and then just use the...
He doesn't like his bath.
So just kind of rinse him off. And then if there's any Vernex, the second washcloth usually gets it off.
I just touched on it incidentally. I just want to be with you and the baby for a while.
I can't get it.
Sorry? Yeah, come here. Okay.
You'll be glad you did that.
I got it. Not for long.
Face being washed for actually quite some time.
Aha. Gonna come here, say it, Gina.
And I just want to make sure I've held him over there, so it's usually pretty dry, but you want to just make sure that you got all the creases dry and everything underneath the lip. Goodness. We use both diapers, so he's really a crier, so I'm going to go ahead and put his erythromycin in, but because when they're crying, their eyes are scrunched up, it's kind of hard to get it in. Just, okay. You want to open the eye, and then from the inner to the outer, just put a little bead. And from the inner to the outer, a little bead. And if you actually put it in the eye, if there's a bunch of blob on the outside, you can just gently, you don't want to wipe it off. Some people, I've seen them just put it on the outside and then they let it melt in. But sometimes if there's a bunch, some of these are sensitive to it and they'll make their little eyelids kind of swell. So I try to get it in the eye. Okay. Some doctors do it in the hospital, some don't. I mean, Amber, when you just want to make sure that all, sometimes if you just take it, you know.
10 seconds, sweetie.